Welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for reliable product reviews. Today we're looking at the Anker USB to USB-C cable, a product that blends functionality, durability, and convenience. Let's dive in to see why this cable stands out. Oh, and if you want to know the price and more details of this product, you may check the link in the description box below. With over 50 million users worldwide, Anker has built a reputation for cutting-edge technology and unparalleled quality. This USB to USB-C cable continues that legacy by offering both performance and reliability. One of the biggest selling points of this cable is its enhanced durability. Anker uses improved construction techniques and premium materials, making it 5 times longer lasting than standard cables. Whether it's everyday use or heavy-duty tasks, this cable can handle it. Designed for versatility, the cable is compatible with virtually any device that uses a USB-C port. From smartphones and tablets to USB-C accessories, you can trust this cable to work seamlessly across your gadgets. The Anker USB to USB-C cable supports fast charging up to 15 watts, that's 3 amps at 5 volts, so you can quickly power your devices without wasting time. It also offers data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second, ensuring you can sync files efficiently. However, keep in mind that it's not compatible with power delivery. The Anker USB to USB-C cable combines robust construction, universal compatibility, and fast performance, making it a must-have for your tech needs. With a lifetime warranty and trusted brand reputation, it's an investment in quality. If you want durable, reliable, and efficient cables, this is the one to get. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alltech for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.